In today's video, you will see how to make jam with the ingredients easily available in your pantry and without any additives and preservatives. So let's get started. So for making jam, I took almost 1.8 kg strawberries here. Washed them thoroughly and cut the stems and halved it. I made the jam with the raspberries and apricot the same way. You can use pretty much all the fruits to make the jam same way, like mangoes, guava, pineapple or mixed fruits. I kept one plate in the freezer before I start making the jam. I'll tell you later what to do with that. Then I took our strawberries to a deep bottom pan. Added 2.5 cup sugar. You can add them up to 3 cups if you need more sweetness. Then I grated a zest of a lemon which gives nice flavor to our jam. Make sure you don't add white part of the peel. Then goes in lemon juice from a large lemon. Mix everything really well. And switch on the flame and cook on a medium to low flame. Close the lid until mixture comes to boil. It took me around 10 to 12 minutes. By this time, sugar will get melted and juice from the fruit will get released. Then keep the flame to low and keep on cooking without closing the lid. In between, you can see some foam on top. Carefully take it off and discard it. By around 30 minutes, we can check whether the jam is ready. Now take out the plate which we kept in the freezer and pour some of the jam and draw a line like so. If the jam is not running back and set within a minute, our jam is ready. If not, cook little more and do the same way and check. My berries are almost mashed and there are very little chunks left. I want them to be like that. And if you want it to be too smooth, mash it with back of your spoon or spatula, or potato masher can be used, or even you can use your hand blender to blend it. My jam were ready by 35 to 40 minutes. Now transfer them to a clean and sterilized jar. We got one full jar and 1/3/4 jar jam with 1.8 kg strawberries. Keep them aside to cool down before you refrigerate it. You can see how beautifully our jam is set. No preservatives or additives. You know what all things are there in this jam. Try to make your batch like this and enjoy really fresh and tastiest jam for your breakfast. Do let us know which fruit you used to make the jam and how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Please stay around.